Ayon kay Philippine Marine Commandant Major General Rustico Guerrero, mainit naman ang pagtanggap sa mga tropa nito ng mga sibilyan sa Central Mindanao may ilang linggo na nakakalipas. Ayon pa kay Guerrero, agad na napasabak sa mga criminal activities sa mga tropa na agad na sumuporta sa Philippine National Police.
Merong mga criminal activities yung problema. So it's more on the coordination with the police and the local government. So yun ang ginagawa ngayon. Attend na sila ng Peace and Order Council meeting. They had a dialogue with the religious and the businessmen. So yun yung initial effort, coordinative work with the concerned stakeholders.
So far, wala nang problema?
Nag-assess sila nung Peace and Order situation. So tinitignan nila yung mga gaps para ma-prevent yung sinasabing mga kidnapping and killings. But this is all in coordination with all the other security stakeholders.
Dagdag pa ni Guerrero na maganda naging reception sa mga tropa ng Marines na mga local residents ng Central Mindanao.
Maganda yung reception sa kanila kasi it was actually a request from the bishop, the mayor, and the businessmen. So they were very happy in welcoming the Marines in the city. Ang sa amin naman, as we respond to claim more for the presence of Marines, and we are trying everything to do our job in preserving the peace in Cotabato City and the environs.
Aside from Cotabato, may deployment pa ba sa other areas?
Yes, yung adjoining provinces, up to now medyo hindi pa klaro, but once we move our brigade from Basilan, definitely we will do our job in helping the adjacent units, especially the Naval Forces, Eastern Mindanao, and the 6th Infantry Division.
Si Philippine Marine Commandant Major General Rustico Guerrero kasama si Jimmy Laude at Mario Malyari, RH 911, Bing Prometo ng DZRH Nationwide.